Temu. I've never heard of that brand before until they reach out to me. So if you're going to be visiting the website for the very first time, if you're going to be shopping from them, I have 30% discount code for you, and I'm going to leave that in the description box. Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to be doing reviewing, and also I'm going to be trying these items that were sent to me by a company called Temu. Temu is all about not only about fashion and styling or clothing alone. They do have shoes on their website. They have household goods, and they have toys for kids. They have all sorts of stuff on their website. Their websites just give me the vibes of Alibaba or Amazon, something like that. Very, very close to it. So ladies, if you haven't heard of Temu before, just like me, this is my very first time that I'm gonna be featuring something from them on my channel. So ladies, sit down, relax, let's have this review together, also the try on haul, and I'm going to be giving you my honest thoughts about the items that I received. Remember, this channel is all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. Before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Simplydemi, but I go by Simplydemi. For simplicity, I go by Simplydemi on this channel. If you like what you're seeing, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. If you're coming back as usual, thank you so much for your wonderful support. I am not taking any of it for granted at all. And for those of you who have been supporting by sharing my video, I appreciate you. God bless you all. So this was how the package came in for me in the mailbox. We have this wonderful, beautiful packaging, you know, with their logo, the name of their company on the package, and the color is bright enough for everybody to see. I received 4 clothing items in this package, and one thing I like is how they individually package them. They came in individual package. They are really nicely, neatly packaged. I like that about the item. I don't want to miss any vital information I'm supposed to share with you. Just like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, there will be 30% discount code for those of you that will be shopping from this website for the very first time. All right, I'm going to leave it in the description box, and also I'm going to leave the link to every item that I'll be featuring today in this video. I will leave them in the description box. Straight link that will take you to the very top that I'm featuring, or to the very bottom that I'm going to be featuring. Also, if I'm able to remember the prices, I will mention them. If not, I will put them on the screen. For me, sometimes I refuse to mention prices, and the reason is because sometimes I might give you certain amounts that this is the amount that it's been sold, and you will get there, it might be something else, maybe as a reason they change their price or something. So that's why I always like to stay away from giving you prices. But on this website, they actually share the prices with me, so I hope I'll be able to remember them off heart. If I don't remember them, I'll put them on the screen. All right, ladies, the first one I'm presenting is called the woman's t-shirt v-neck shirt long sleeve waffle knit loose fit soft top t-shirt. The price is $9.99. They have it in different colors. They have it in gray, they have it in white, they have it in blue, which is the one I'm featuring right now. They have it in olive green, and the sizes run from size small to extra large, pardon me, extra large, which is size 12. My honest review about this one, it's actually this, they said it's soft top, so I kind of understand why it was a little bit transparent, because when I held it up I can see through the fabric. So when I read the description, I think that's why it kind of matches the description. It's supposed to be soft top, so which you can use during the fall. On the winter time, you have to kind of layer it up. All right, so that's what I wanted to run by you. By the way, if you're looking at my earring, is it intentional styling? I purposely decided to do kind of mismatch. this goes together. I decided to put them together, and also this one has its pair, but I just decided to do something different. So I am very intentional about it. It wasn't a mistake. The second one I'm featuring, the second one is called Elegant Solid V-neck sweater, casual cross long sleeve sweater, casual top for fall and winter. It sold for $11.99, and they have it in 3 colors. They have it in white, gray and black, which is obviously the black is the one I'm featuring now, and the sizes run from size small to size extra large, which is size 12. My honest review about this one is actually is thick, which is what I have on right now. It's very thick. This one will keep you very warm during the winter time. In fact, if you're not careful, you're going to be sweating because it's really thick. The material they use for it, I like it. It fits the description. I would definitely, if I have to purchase between the first one that I featured or this one, definitely I would love to repurchase another color of this because I like the way it feels. The third one is called the woman's sweater, casual cross neck long sleeve loose fall / winter sweater. This one is sold for $9.99 as well. They have different colors of this one. Their website and the sizes run from size small to extra large, which is size 12. Also, like I said, this one is sold for $9.99. My honest review about this one too, I like the style. I like the crisscross style going on at the front, and the description fitted it perfectly. It's not that thick like this one, but it can still be used during the winter time, but you have to layer it up. And the last one, which is the pants, I chose this pant because I thought I could pair it with all the top that I chose, which is the trade top. But when I started styling it on, I tried when I put it on to try it with the top, I noticed it was bulky at the front. It was bulky. It just makes me look like I just finished eating a whole lot of eba, you know. Which like I just finished eating eba. So it was just swollen at that side. I didn't like how it fits. I don't like the length. I do not like the length. Probably the length will work better for someone that is a little bit shorter than me, okay, I guess. But I chose size small, which is what I usually wear. Sometimes I wear medium, but when I look at the material they use for this particular pants, I feel like it's gonna run a little bit bigger. If I choose size medium, it's gonna be too big for me, which is the case. You all can tell by the way I'm showing you on the screen how the waist is, you know, it's easier for me to move my hand around it, which is the perfect size for me, size small. But what I don't like is the length, and I don't like where the I don't know what they call the front, the flap of the pants ended. It just doesn't fit my body structure very well like the rest of the pants that I've been using in the past in my life, if you all get my point. So that's just my honest truth about these pants. On their website they refer to this pant as women's pants, solid pocket, nipped waist, corduroy straight leg pants. Yes, it's a straight leg pant and it is corduroy. And it's sold for $13.99. They have it in black, they have it in pink, which is the one I'm showing you, and they do have it in light yellow. The sizes run from size extra small to large. All right, ladies, that's what I just don't like about the pants. I just don't like the way it looks on my body. It's a straight leg pants, but I don't like where it stops when it comes to the length. When it comes to the waist is not bad, but how bulky it does look, except I tuck in the shirt, which I did just for you to be able to see the difference. I don't like how bulky it is. If I don't want to tuck in my shirt, I wouldn't like the fitting it's gonna look on my body. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. This is my honest review about Temu, and this is my first time, you know, featuring them on my channel. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget the link to everything I featured will be in the description box for you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.